This one pot filling starts with caramelized onions that are ground. It's added to a pan with other ingredients and spices. Meat is cooked inside the spice mixture and water, and once cooked and dry, peas and coriander are added. This is a great filling for pan rolls, potato chops, samosas, patties, and more. It's also great to eat on its own. Here's a great meat filling you can use for so many recipes. Start with some oil. I'm going to allow this to heat up, and then I'm going to add in 2 cups of sliced onions. I'm going to allow my onions to get nice and golden brown. And then I will transfer it to my grinding jar. Allow the onion to cool and then grind it to a paste. I'm going to add the onion paste back into the pan. I'm going to follow this with 2 green chilies that I've sliced and 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste. I'm also going to add 3 small tomatoes that I finely chopped. Add 1 teaspoon each of chili powder, garam masala, cumin powder, and I'm also going to add half a teaspoon of turmeric. Saute everything well together. I'm going to add in 2 cups of water, salt to taste, and 1 tablespoon of crushed pepper. Allow this to come to the boil. Once the liquid is boiling, I'm going to add in my meat. I've got 1 kilo or 2.2 pounds of ground beef. You can also add ground lamb or ground chicken. Break this up and cook the meat till all the water evaporates. I'm also going to be adding about a cup of frozen peas. This may take about 40 minutes for all of the water to evaporate. Finally, I'm going to add 1 cup of chopped coriander, and I'm going to allow this to cool. You can make this ahead and store this in your refrigerator.